Oh man, I forgot the wind sock. So welcome to Twin Turbo. Today we are going to be putting in the TCU tune in this 2023 Stinger GT. You guys can check this video out right here. We already did one. This is a special edition Stinger and he's doing more stuff to it. I think he put on a new carbon fiber spoiler and he's got a couple awesome parts coming. The JB4 with the Lozic TCU tune is a sick combo. It's going to shave off a ton off your 0 to 60. So as far as performance, dollar to power performance goes, bar none, it's the best. I do have an affiliate link for him. Help each other out, helps the channel. Code Twin Turbo, help you guys out, win-win. To me, it's the safest way to tune the car. You can't get pops and bangs. You can't remove the speed limit. And you can't disable the auto start stop feature with the JB4. Auto start stop feature is so dumb, but that's about to get fixed with the ECU tune. Why is your auto start stop keep still kicking on and off? But it is plug and play. You can use your phone. You can be off on your octane a little bit. There's a lot of pros to the JB4, guys. Power wise though, these Lozic ECUs are really impressive. I'll throw up on the screen what he's doing lately with his tunes and it's pretty impressive. So what we got, guys, car guy heaven. No holes, flat for days, and no cameras. Look at this burnout over here. So this Stinger, guys, is beautiful. And as far as Twin Turbo goes, we're coming up on 2 million views. It's the largest Kia Stinger channel on YouTube. Thanks to you guys. And I'm gonna continue to bring Stingers on to this platform. They keep squeezing more and more power out of these things, guys. It's just impressive. I mean, I think there's one with like 700 horse now, right? Yeah, there's big turbo, hybrid turbo kits out. It's gonna go down as a legend, and it's a beautiful car. 4-door, leather, heated seats. It's got everything, dude. It's like a win-win. This one's all-wheel drive like mine was, so it's a dig monster. We'll show them something here today, Tony. As far as Lozic singing me these tunes, I don't get paid anything if you guys buy them, strictly just to show you. The TCU tune here, Lozic sent us. I already have videos pretty much showing this part, but we're gonna do it again today. First things first, we are going to disconnect the battery. Oh, you put your amp in the same place I did, nice. Step one, complete. Okay, so Tony has these awesome BMS vanity covers. These are actually really, really good for the JB4 because it protects water spots from getting on it. You just wrap these in carbon fiber, which looks freaking awesome, by the way. Well, these just have the little pop-up clips and it comes right out. And boom, there's our ECU. So this one takes like a couple minutes longer to remove. There's the transmission control unit over here. Super, super easy to get to. TCU tune, bro. It's like the best. Best bang for the buck. Let's do that first. No. Yeah, there's a little tab there you push, it'll release it, kind of push down, pulls right off, boom. There's 4 bolts. Dude, Lozic has a really good one. That with the JB4, I really think is all you really need. So I just put a little microfiber down there. Oh yeah, that helps a lot. Dude, it gets so hot in here. There's no additional brackets that are on there. Here's our Lozic TCU. We will throw the specs up on the screen with this. And we are TCU tuned. What stage is this, 2?
Sorry, 2.
Stage 2, okay. So we're about stage 2. We'll give it a test. Let's go try it out, do some launches. All right, and we got this beast. The Draggy app, I swipe up. Oh my gosh. 140 IATs, 92 degrees out. Auto start stop feature is so dumb. But all right, we're gonna do a launch. Let me flip up the Draggy here. Launch control. Okay. That was good. That was solid. 3.9.
3.9?
Yeah.
Sounded mean.
You're in the 3's, bro.
You lit them up.
Oh, I did. Right when it starts to light them up, I let off the brake and just mash it. And it'll kind of like do a small little burnout. But it's just that all-wheel drive just digs. And it, I mean, honestly, I think with your setup, you could do a 3.8, maybe even a 3.7. But you need E30. You're in the 3's, bro. That's being in the 3's, you got a quick car. Yep. So, all right, guys. So Tony's gonna go do a launch really quick. Probably go down there to get your IATs down to like 120, but just foot on the brake. Don't ease into it. Kind of just like you're trying to power brake a rear-wheel drive car almost. You'll see the RPMs kind of stop at around 225. Right when those feel like they're about to start breaking up, let off the gas and then just leave it floored, and I swear, dude, you'll get in the 3's. Exhaust doesn't sound too bad, not really. Sport mode on his car, it's active, so he definitely needs an exhaust though. Let's hear this beast.
My setup is arc downpipe and Borla catback exhaust.
Oh yeah.
So.
That's only going to help this whole situation out. The new tunes, Lozic tunes with the burbles and stuff is going to be awesome. That start-stop feature is so annoying. I totally forgot about that. And so that's one nice thing about an ECU flash. You can get rid of that. How'd you do?
Horrible. It's 489. I don't believe that.
489. Yeah, you just gotta play with it, man. I got it down pat.
30. 60.
Because I mean, I did launches. Yeah. There's definitely some art to the launch, man.
Let's do one more.
Yeah, do it here though. I want to see you do it. Take off. Attaboy. That thing's got some power. Guys, it's about to have 500 wheel when we get the Lozic tune back. Right now, he's just on JB4, map 4, and map 3, actually, I think. Map 3, and it's kind of quiet, though, but... Yeah, so stay tuned. We're gonna have some more content coming. This thing is sick. Twin turbo is like my favorite, but we are supercharged now. We have a supercharged play toy. This thing has like 500 horse to the wheels or more, and it's 3,800 pounds. This thing weighs like 4,100 pounds. 43. That's a house. All right, house. Better let her cool off. My turn. Oh yeah, I gotta connect the Draggy, bro. I'm not doing this without the Draggy because this thing might break. This car is nuts, I promise. Oh God. Okay guys, here we go. S4 launch. That's only 3.7, bro. But this is 93 octane only. That's pretty.
Both on 93.
Yeah. I don't know. The launch with this thing, I gotta get it down too. Like, and it's 90 degrees out. My ATs are hot, but. Yeah. Yeah, that's the 2-step launch. I don't want to do it again. I've only launched this car twice because I don't know when the DSG service was done. So I want to do the DSG service, but I love the wine, the supercharger wine. It's like my favorite. Oh, all right, dude, look at it. Look at this shirt, guys. That's awesome. With the Lozic. Tony he has a printing business. If you guys need any t-shirts, graphics, stickers, any of that stuff, you do all that, right? Yeah, so I'll link him down below as well. But dude, thanks for coming out. Again, showing the beautiful 23 Touring Edition Stinger. What else do you have planned, dude?
Got a scorpion tail in the body shop right now getting painted for it. And then when we get the ECU situation straightened out, we're going back to Lozic for that. And the Center Korean Edition console. Other than that, we're about done with it.
So this will
except
be
for the ground effects.
So this will be a fully like Korean spec.
Full Korean spec.
Full Korean spec. And it's going to be tuned by a South Korean guy. Well, he lives here in the States now, but that's about as Korean as it gets, guys. So, all right, boys. So we had some fun today with the Stinger GT2 Touring Edition. All the Korean spec mods on it. It's awesome. Ugh, it's too stupid loud. So, anyways, this thing is retarded. I got to get the exhaust fixed on this. It's just stupid. That sounds horrible. Probably some resonators. Here comes Tony. But yeah, we need a new exhaust. I need some resonators put on here ASAP. Just probably have them weld those in and do some custom. I don't know. You guys have left me a couple of suggestions in the. That sounds so good. It sounds so good sometimes though. I love this exhaust, but I hate it. I hate how raspy it is. Right there. Oh. But we're running mid-3s. More to come on that. I'm gonna mess with the exhaust and get the front bumper to match paint. So. Alright, peace, Tony! And I promise you, yes, I am going to log my car after changing the plugs and coils out. But next, I'm going to go revamp this steering wheel. We're gonna make it beautiful again with some carbon fiber and Alcantara. So this car is obnoxiously loud. It's kind of fun. And I don't know. It's just a toy, but still, it's like there's a cop. I gotta go. Peace.